the first of its kind. A portable self-adjusting pocket hole jig that will take your builds to the next level. Introducing the Armor Mini Jig, a compact pocket hole jig that automatically sets the drill guide block and drill bit collar based off the thickness of the material. Just clamp the material with the caliper to automatically adjust the guide block and collar to the correct depth. All you have to do is tighten the collar and clamp. Our color coat system will even pick the optimal screw length. Featuring a reversible edge guide, magnetic clamp pad, and onboard Allen wrench with drill bit storage, the mini jig was made for efficiency and durability. The hardened steel drill guides offer a lifetime warranty, while the body is built with glass-filled nylon and a stamped steel subframe to ensure it can handle any project. Built for the builders. Arm your shop with Armor Tools.
Designed to provide maximum access in cramped spaces, the 8-inch Locking Flex ratcheting adjustable wrench from Crescent pivots 180 degrees at the handle, and 9 locking positions give added control and stability when applying torque. A ratcheting action eliminates the need to constantly remove and re-engage fasteners when working in corners or around obstructions. Now you can tighten and loosen 4 to 6-point fasteners with lightning speed. Crescent is famous for adjustable wrenches, and the Locking Flex ratcheting adjustable wrench is pure Crescent quality. Smooth action adjustable jaws open to 1 3/16 inch. A chrome finish resists rust and corrosion. And the laser etch scale makes size adjustment quick and easy. A pivoting handle with a ratcheting head. Unparalleled access in tight spaces. That's Crescent innovation at work.
Milwaukee Red Stick digital levels with pinpoint measurement technology are built with an advanced calibration process that delivers up to 2 times greater accuracy. Pinpoint measurement technology provides a best-in-class user experience with dynamic readouts, utilizing advanced controls with numeric, graphics, color, and audio on a high-resolution 360-degree full-color display, along with a pin mode that allows you to lock in any measurement with a push of a button. Red Stick digital levels are built with a stronger frame to protect their digital accuracy and high-resolution displays. An IP65 rating ensures these tools can stand up to the harshest job site conditions. Milwaukee Red Stick digital levels are the first rechargeable digital levels, powered by Red Lithium USB batteries to provide all-day power. Covered by Milwaukee's 3-year accuracy guarantee, Milwaukee Red Stick digital levels have superior accuracy and dynamic readout.
The Craig Pocket Hole Jig 520 Pro makes it easy to build projects with pocket holes anytime, anywhere. One of the key features that makes this possible is the jig's VersaGrip handle. The handle rotates 360 degrees to give you great control. Whether you're building on a benchtop, whether you're building portably, if you like to use your left hand to hold it or your right hand, you can always get a grip that's comfortable and secure. With the rotating VersaGrip handle and the jig's compact size, it makes it great for building projects anywhere, anytime.
Hi there, it's Matco Bill, and today I'm going to talk to you about the new Easy Sold soldering tool from Matco. It is an exclusive to us, and it is available in the US and Canada for under the $90 price point. What it is a soldering tool that has a built-in coil of solder that is replaceable and is controlled with your thumb. Also has spring-loaded holders that'll hold the wire in place for you. This is great for under the dash. This way, if you're on your back or whatever and you need to hold the wires tight, you can do that without having to now hold the solder or the torch in your mouth. So then I'm going to take our Matco soldering torch. We'll get this ignited. And I added the tip here for doing soldering, but you can also use the open flame if you have the room without catching fire. So once it's in there, you get your wiring where you need it to be, and then you will apply the solder as needed. And then we'll get the torch a little warm here. So once it's warm, you just feed your solder, feed it on, and there you go. It's that easy. Nice tight solder. And again, it's the Matco Easy Sold. Easy, S-O-L-D is the part number, available in US and Canada for less than $90, and it is a Matco exclusive and made in the USA. Contact your local Matco dealer for more information. Thank you.